software Google Earth, you come in your Google Chrome, open Google Chrome or any of your browsers, then you come and type in Google Earth. Google Earth download. Type in Google Earth download. If you have Windows 10 like me, you put in for Windows 10. If you have whichever computer you have, that's what you select. So you come and put in free download. So you click there and then it will bring you to this. So you come here, you double click. So when it brings you to this page, just scroll down. There's a part here for launch, so you can launch and use it online, or you can continue and scroll down until you see something like this: download Google Earth Pro on desktop. So you click on it. So once you accept, click on accept and download. So it should be able to start downloading here up. As you can see, mine has downloaded up here. I hope yours too has downloaded. So I'm going to check out this download. It is done, so I'm going to double click on it so that I can go and install it on my computer. So you can either download, double click on it, go to files so that you can open the what you've just downloaded now. So it is bringing for my page down here where it is asking me to install the software. So just in case you've not understood, I can close here. So you go down to files and go in downloads. So these are my files, and I have downloads here. I have Google Earth set up in the downloads in your file, in your downloads. So you come here on Google Earth setup, you double click, you literally left click, so it brings you to this. You click on yes, and then you wait for it to install. Wait for the software to install. As you can see, it is installing right now. That's what it's doing. It's installing. Our Google Earth is installing. That is how easy it is to install Google Earth onto your computer. So I hope today you can all do the installation for Google Earth so that we can learn how to use it, how to make maps with it. So basically today we are doing introduction and we are downloading the software, learning how to download the software to our computer so that the next time we can be able to start drafting our maps, learning how to use Google Earth. So anyone has any questions, please, you can send me a message on my WhatsApp. Just link up in any way or contact any of your colleagues. Anyone in year 2 will take you through very fast. So this is what we are going to cover. After this, then we shall handle another software which is also on mapping, ArcGIS. I don't know how many have heard of it, but yeah, we are going to handle this. So as it's finishing, you can let it finish to install. We are waiting for it to finish to install. We are waiting for it to finish to install. This is how we install Google Earth to our computers, and literally every computer will accept to install Google Earth. So let me not hear complaints that over this or that. No, please, at least you should be able to install Google Earth onto your computer. There's nothing that will make it fail to get installed. As you can see, the installation process takes some time. So let us all install the software onto our computers. As if you don't have a computer, you can borrow from a friend or anybody, any person who can help you with the computer, or you can do with your friend. You can visit your classmate and sit and do with them. So the installation is taking long on my computer. I don't know why. Maybe because I have a number of softwares that are here, but normally it doesn't take long. I know people have better computers than mine, so mine is a bit old. So any questions, please always feel free to send me a message anytime as you're practicing. Feel free to send me a message. In a week, so our installation is complete. What I'm going to do is I'm going to close. So at this point, our software has been installed, so I'm going to close down all these and try to find our software from here, from the desktop where it has been installed. So I'm also going to close this here, from here, close this. So our Google Earth is here. On my computer it is showing that it's here, so you double click here, open Google Earth. My installation was successful, so I'm now going to open the Google Earth. So it's opening now. So I hope you can all be able to install the software so that we can start on learning how to use it. Please make sure you learn how to install, and make sure you can install it successfully. So since today was the first day, I'm not going to rush you, but you can see mine has opened. So I hope you can also be able to reach up to this point. So I'm going to close this, and we have our Google Earth here. So I'm going to take you through how to use this in this first week, and then next week we shall go to the next chapter with different software. Thank you very much. At least let me have all of you install the software Google Earth, and let's be able to proceed. So still me taking you through, Kiza Thomas from the field. But in a week's time, when June starts, we shall have physical training in drilling fluids, walkover fluids, cement slurries. So you can also be doing some research so that I don't find you when you're green. Okay, otherwise have a good time.